Okay, guys, my name is Diki Saputra. I want to tell you about programming language. A programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instructions that produce various kind of output. Programming language are used in computer programming to implement algorithm. Most programming language consists of instruction for computer. There are programmable machines that use a set of specific instruction rather than general programming language. Since that early 1008 1800s program have been used to direct to behavior of machine such as jacquard looms, music box, and player pianos. The programs for this machine, such as a player piano scroll, did not produce different behavior in responses to different input or condition. Thousands of different programming languages have been created and more are being created every year. Many programming languages are written in a imperative from a as a sequence of operation to perform. While other languages use the declarative for the result in specified, not how to achieve it. The description of a programming language is usually split into the two components of syntax, from and semantic meaning. Some languages are defined by a specification document. For example, the C programming language is specified by an ISO standard, while other languages, such as Perl, have a defined by a standard and extensions text from the dominant implementation being common. Examples are Python, Ruby, Jupyter, HTML, C, CSS, Java, JavaScript, C++. Okay, next networking. Exchange of information and ideas among people with a common pro- profession or special interest. Usually, in a networking is the informal social setting. Networking often begins with a single point of common ground. Networking is used by professionals to expand their circle of acquaintances to find out about job opportunities in there's field and to increase their awareness of new news and trends in their field or in the greater world. The term computer networking refers to linking multiple devices so that they can readily share information and software resources. Okay, next, local area network. We're confident that you've heard of these types of network before. LANs are the most frequently discussed network. One of the most common, one of the most original, and one of the simple types of network. LAN connect group of computer and low voltage device together across short distances within an building or between a group of two or their buildings in close proximity to earth order to share information and resource enterprises typically manage and maintain LANs. Using routers, LANs can connect to wide area network or ones. Explain it below to rapidly and safely transfer data. Next, wild area network. Slightly more complex than a LAN and one connects computer together across longer physical distance. This allows computer and low voltage device to be remotely connected to each other over one layered network to communicate even when they miles apart. The internet is the most basic example of one. Connecting our computer together around the world because of one first race it is typically owned and maintained by multiple administrator or the public. Next, software. Software is the program and written for the computer or the program material for an electronic device which which make it run. An example of software is Excel or Windows or iTunes. And next, computer virus. A computer virus is a type of computer program that, when executed, replicates itself by modifying other computer program and inserting its own code. If this replication succeeds, the affected arrays are then said to be infected with a computer virus. Computer virus generally require a host program. The virus enters its own code into the host program when the program runs. The return virus program is executed first, causing infection and damage. A computer virus run does not need a host program, as it is an independent program or code chop. Terrorware. It is not restricted by the host program but can run independently and actively carry out attacks. How do viruses infect PC? The way a virus spreads to other computer varies with the type of virus. A Markov virus becomes active when a document infected with the virus is opened using the program it is designed to attack. So far, as of October 1997, only Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and latest Pro are vulnerable to macrovirus. The program must have its ability to run Markov enabled. Turn it on. Generally, when a virus in a document becomes active, it will spread to global settings for the application, so that other documents will become infected when they are opened. When an infected document is opened on other computer, the global setting used by that copy of the application will be infected as well. Second, a bad sector virus infect hard disk, and this case, if a computer is rebooted or is power is turned on, while an infected disk is in driver A, the virus will spread to the hard disk even if disk is not capable of setting up the computer. On the hard disk is in fact all diskette used in the computer will be infected and can spread the infection to other computer on Macintosh. A boot sector virus can become active when an infected diskette is inserted in the diskette drive because the malicious read the diskette immediately. And 3. A program virus becomes active when a program infected with a virus is run. When a program virus is active, it will usually infect other programs on the computer. If a copy of infected program is moved to and run on another computer, it can then infect program on that computer. Example of common virus include Norton virus, Kaspersky antivirus, AVG antivirus. Okay guys, thank you for your attention and bye bye.